Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Waguli, Pune. Our today discussion topic is the main method used in the Java programming. So today we will discuss about what is main method and why the main method is necessary in the execution of the part of the program in Java programming. So today we will discuss in brief. So uh, in Java classes, Java is a class based language, and inside the class there is the data members, that is the instance variables, static variables or local variables. And another thing is that the various methods are used in the Java to perform the operations. So the methods are important part of the program in the Java. To the main method will execute the program, and it will be run by the JVM, and it will executes and gives the desired output for us. So that's why all the methods present inside the class are important for the purpose of operations, various operations. So these are all about the methods. So now we will discuss about the what is method, main method. So we will understand what is main method. So generally, in general example, every house has a gate, or every society has a gate, which is the entry point of the to go inside the society. So as like in Java programming, there is a entry point, that is main method. So the main method will execute all the part of the program. uh, so it will execute as like a gate, entry point or entry gate in the Java programming. So when we write the program, so there are various pages. First we will write the program, that is Java class file, and after that this Java class file is converted into the by the compiler to dot class file. It means it converted into the bytecode, and this bytecode will be understandable to the Java JVM. So JVM and Java runtime environment will execute this program, which converts its code into machine level code, and machine level code will be understandable to the computers, and computer gives the desired output for this code. So this is the program execution done inside the Java programming. So our today discussion topic is the main method. So inside we will discuss the main method signature. So in the main method signature there is first is public, is access modifier. There are four access modifiers inside the Java. First is public access modifier, second protected access modifier, third default access modifier, and fourth is private access modifier. So the our main method is always public. Why public? Because public defines its accessibility from all the classes. So main method is always public. So that's why public is used inside the main method. Another is that static is a keyword inside the Java. Keyword means it has a specific meaning, as like in our languages when we talk with the words, so they have the specific meaning. As like in Java, static is a keyword. Static has a meaning is that when static keyword is used, it allocate the memory during at the class area. So that's why the execution will start from this. So that's why static keyword is used inside this. Another is that public static. After that there is void is used. Void is a return type. So every method, there are four types of methods inside Java: parameterized, with return type, with non-return type. So void is a keyword which is used to the main method does not returns anything. It does not given any value after the return. So this is the void. And after third is that after that there is a main. So main is a word, method name. Main is a method name of the main method. And after that, command line arguments, in which inside the bracket there is a string, after that square bracket, and arguments. From this we will pass an argument. Every part of the program is executed, and after it gives the output in the form of string. So that's why string command line arguments are used. And after, inside the block, when the program is when the program is written by the programmer, and it will be executed from only main method. So that's why main method is more important. So this is all about main method used in the Java programming. Thank you so much.